So if you are around about my age, which is 55, you might get a bit of a clue of what I'm trying to do today. So clue is the plaits and the earrings, and it's someone I had a crush on in the 80s when he was at his heyday, and he just turned 70. So I thought I would do a fancy dress makeup tutorial. So I'm very blonde to hide the white. I was originally black brown haired, but not at the moment. So I'm going to start off with, put some moisturiser on earlier, but I've taken the dog for a walk since then, so I'll put some primer on. So this is Illuminate by Technic, just in case you want to know. Okay, and next stop is the eye makeup. So for the first layer, I'm going to use NYX, I think it's Warm Neutral. Anyway, that colour, which is the lightest colour. Next up, I am going to use Lisa Eldridge's Myth, I think it's Myth, is it Myth? I'm sure it's Myth, palette, and I'm going to start with her red colour in the outer corner of the brow bone. And just draw it along the line. And then next I'm going to do black in the inner corner, outer corner, sorry, of my eyelid. So I'm using Lisa Eldridge in shade 5, her foundation. Next I will be using concealer by Terry, which uses hyaluronic acid, so I assume it's better for the older skin or more mature skin, which I've got. Then whiten the tear line. Actually, I'll use this mirror so I can do it properly. Now, I don't believe the person who did this look originally used to wear mascara, because he was going for a more androgynous type look, but as I'm a girl, I am going to go for the mascara. Now, as the person who did this look initially had black hair, I know I'm blonde, but I'm going to go and use the black eyeshadow as an eyebrow pencil. So I'll give him a thin, or do a thin nose. And cheekbones. Also under my jowls, because I'm of that age where I have jowls. Now, I've seen other people do tutorials, and they always seem to draw out the white line across the white stripe across the face first, but I think I'm just going to do it freehand and see how I get on. Oops. I bought some face paint, white face paint, and I haven't opened it yet, so if you want to buy white face paint, you can get it from Amazon, and it's a £5. Now, I've never used face paint before, so this is going to be a whole new experience for me. Try not to get it on my clothes. And I'm just going to use the, oh, that's better, using a finger. It's probably how they used to do it back in the As you can tell, I haven't done this before. Not with this anyway. I might have had to go when I was about 11, but that was a long time ago. This gives you an idea anyway what I'm going for, doesn't it? And I'm going to finish off sharpener. Back in the day, you'd have like a cut there as well. Just using a lipstick pencil, which is an old. And next step, so he didn't really wear lipstick. He wore more clear lip gloss. So what I'm going to do is use Lisa Eldridge Shade and Sculpt pencil, because I've got quite a small mouth anyway. I top it up with a pale pink lip gloss. You're supposed to do a sarcastic smile. That's Lisa Eldridge's tip, so I'll try doing that. Fill it in. I've gone too high up on the top lip there, but me trying to level it out. Anyway, I'm going for a pale pink L'Oreal. Yeah, I've gone too high with the Cupid's bow, but hey ho. So that gives you an idea. And I will take the thing out of my hair to give you a bit more of an idea. So I'm a blonde version. What do you think? Think it suits me? Anyway, I'm Anne-Marie Pearman, and I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. If you fancy going to a party as a Adamant lookalike, if you're going to a fancy dress, 80s themed, an idea for you. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and see you soon. I've been Anne-Marie. Bye.